I'm using Xiaomi Dual Basket air fryer for a few months already, and it has few quirks which can be really annoying. Before we go further down the road, I'm making one quick pizza. The dual basket concept with one bigger than the other one is really convenient because you can always focus on main dish and you have a lot of space in one squarish shape basket, and one is narrower. And here is the first problem, which is really annoying for me, and that is when you take out one basket, the second one immediately stops, which is really annoying in many ways. But let's focus on the build quality. Outside is completely made of plastic. The glossy part here is really looking nice. The appliance look expensive and stylish. Of course, it is fingerprint magnet, and a touchscreen can be annoying at the times, especially when you want to do fine tuning. It cannot follow your presses if you press fast. Really annoying if you ask me. That is one of the things which really bothers me. On the left side there are presets and manual mode. You're gonna use the manual mode 90% of the times. On the right side you have a time setting, temperature setting, left and right basket, play and pause. I've seen a lot of people on the forums are having trouble stopping one basket. If you have two baskets working or one and you want to stop that basket to work, you just long press the play pause button. I'm really troubling my pizza right now. But overall, considering everything and considering the price, the device is really well made. On the top part we have intake here. It is intake space where the fresh air is drawn inside. Inner side of the basket, this is how it's looking after a few months of use. You really want to take care of Teflon coating, not to damage it. The inner side of the main unit is metal made. You have a heater on the top which doesn't have the mesh, but I didn't notice any extensive smoking from the device. In general, if we focus on what is better if you're considering this Xiaomi, it is definitely price. You can get it quite affordable considering that it is 10 liters. The left basket is 3.5 liters. The right one is 6.5, which is quite convenient, totaling 10 liters of capacity. Really practical, especially again when you consider that the right one is bigger and completely square and left one is more narrower. So you can definitely make smaller meals in the left one and combine all them depending on what you're preparing. I'm gonna do some sausages in a small basket. Manual mode, around 12 minutes on the 200 degrees. And interesting thing is that the fan gonna start slow, so it is not a full speed, super quiet right now. After 1 minute it's gonna ramp up to its usual speed. You can hear it. This 2-basket Xiaomi air fryer doesn't have a mesh below the heater. It may happen that you get some smoke if you're roasting something like these sausages, because the oils can hit the heater and you get the smoke. And I didn't notice smoke, but I didn't have a long-lasting season, so it may have halfway in. And this is how it looks. I'm gonna poke the sausages to test my metal mesh heater theory. It should speed on the heater right now, but definitely up to now there is no smoke, there is no too much smells, usual like on my previous Xiaomi with the metal mesh. And it is done. Looks beautiful. beautiful and there is no smoke. I'm really trying, but I cannot go over it that when you do this, it stops working. I have chicken breast inside this basket, and now I want to put the fries inside the left one, but it stops working. I mean, it is not something that is ruining experience 100%, but here it is. Instead we have something to cook. It stops completely until I fill in this basket. Quite unacceptable for me, especially from Xiaomi. I understand that it is a safety feature, but come on, this could be avoided really. This restriction applies in any case, even if you're not using the basket at all, in terms it is not started. If you pull it out, the second basket will stop working. A complete nonsense. There is a sync function, but it works like on other air fryers. The basket which needs a longer time will start first, and the second one gonna hold until the timing is synchronized. In this case, we have just first basket working with fries, and the second basket is meat. The neat feature in manual mode is that you can control the flip timer, and basically half of this time we're gonna get a flip alarm, and the good thing is that you can again turn it on if needed for the second half to have a new timer. The most important part with every air fryer is how food cooks inside of it, and check this out. Just check this out, this meat. It is already juicy from inside and outside in both ways. Really amazing. It every time grinds my gears that the first basket stops when the one is out. First one we have fries. This is the sound when you need to flip the basket. Quite soundish. Food in right basket is done. We want to press this button and hold and press play stop. We are finished with the second basket. The food looks beautiful. Everything you see here is cooked in Xiaomi Dual Basket air fryer. The bread, fries and meat.